Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a pretty different video for me. So we're going to show you what we ate throughout our week of camping, just some random meals that I decided to share with you guys. We do have an RV, so made it a little bit more easy, but these are some camping ideas that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started. So first meal, we just had some pork sausages with some grilled zucchini, and I went ahead and just paired that over some microwavable rice. So that was our first dinner. And Arlo's clearly very excited about it. And then moving along, and the next day we decided to go on a really long hike, so I was going to need to pack some lunch. So I'm going to make sandwiches, bacon, turkey, mustard, hummus, lettuce, lunch meats, cheese, and then a little bit of veggies and some chips. So I just went ahead and assembled the sandwiches. I love this Dave's Killer Bread. I got this thin sliced one, but I feel like they're just so hearty. So on one side I did mayonnaise, one side I did hummus, and I did make a little sandwich for Arlo. And I just used the smoked turkey breast from Trader Joe's, a little bit of Havarti cheese and some bacon, a little bit of lettuce, and I went ahead and just chopped up Arlo's little sandwich. Put them all in bags, so you can see here our two sandwiches, and Arlo's brought a banana, some water for Arlo, or actually some milk for Arlo, some chips, a couple of little Cliff energy bars, and some carrots for our hike.
We've got our burgers. We've seasoned them already with salt, pepper, garlic, and then we just threw a little bit of Montreal steak, which is phenomenal. If you've never tried that, we're doing double cheeseburgers, super thin. Oh, they're right here. Sorry, those aren't the ones. I just pre-portioned these out. Obviously, you can buy already portioned out burgers, but I like to just do it myself. So we did that. And then we've got zucchini, which I seasoned salt, pepper, garlic powder, or onion powder, and a little bit of red chili flakes. We're gonna grill both of these. We've got some barbecue sauce, sweet and spicy, some tomato, onion, lettuce. Scott doesn't want lettuce or tomato, so I'm gonna use that. Mild cheddar cheese, and then in the oven, we got some French fries, and then for buns, we picked up these brioche buns at Sprouts, yeah. So that's what. Oh, and we got a really tired little man, so that's what we got going on right now. I forgot to mention bacon. So it's bacon barbecue cheeseburger on a brioche bun. It's next level. So good. Oh. Alright, so we got our oven fries done. I've got a double bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon in the middle of those things. Look at that.
And some zucchini grilled.
Don't mind the bugs. We camping.
Yeah, right. And then Scott did doubles, but 2 burgers. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of tomato, some onions, and some lettuce, and then a little sugar-free barbecue, which Scott hates, but
Like, why do you sugar-free when you're eating barbecue?
because it's like significantly less calories.
Yeah, but like
I know when you're camping, but regardless.
It's not like when you eat a bunch of barbecue. Support it.
Let's dig in. I love you too.
Eat.
Yum.
It's
good?
good. Yeah.
Good deal. And then I'm gonna drink an orange Juneshine. I don't hate this. It's growing on me. And what are you drinking? A Community.
Community.
In a Sculpin thing. Medicinal.
Medical grade hazy IPA.
Cool. And I just finished my Truly, so I'm gonna move on to Juneshine. So yum, let's dig in. Scott's favorite is the orange icing cinnamon bun. I know, it'll be fine though. So I got a warm rock where the icing's gonna warm up on. And if you like orangecicles, you'll really like that. My mom loved orangecicles. Okay. If this isn't properly seasoned, you're gonna wanna season it with some, or like do it with some butter, but Scott seasoned it. So, pop it open.
Just put one on there or what?
I think we normally just do one at a time.
Alright. That's hot.
Yeah, dude. Did we normally do one? Throw 2 in there. Okay. And then you just set it and forget it. Comes with a little clamp. A grilled cheese would be bomb in this thing. So much stuff's good in this thing. Oh yeah.
Sear on
These
it.
are looking pretty decent.
By the time they're cooked, they're gonna be good. Let them sit for a second.
But those aren't it.
Really got to work the heat.
Oh. Got ya. You gotta make sure the inside's cooked before the outside gets too burnt.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks bomb.
But got plenty cooking left, so you got to pull it off. If it starts getting too dark too quick, pull it off the heat. It's like an oven inside of there right now.
Yeah. Good Dutch oven. Isn't that a thing? What is that a thing
Dutch
from?
oven.
Yeah.
That's when you
When you fart
fart
under the
covers
covers.
and put it over.
You would know.
I'll
You're
show you
gross.
later.
No, please don't. Thank you, though. Those are looking really good. Looking really good. So we have our eggs. We pre-cooked these. Well, we just cooked them. Scott just cooked them a little minute ago. And then these, I pre-cooked the sausages and we just warmed them up. Got some shredded cheese, some butter, and some plain white bread. Works best for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and grease up my pie iron and put it all together. Nice crispy, crustedy, meltedy egg sausage Sammy. Yum! So we got some chicken sausages with feta and spinach, grilled onions, and some grilled red peppers. That's what's gonna be for lunch. Scott's having his on a bun. I'm gonna just
2 buns.
have it regular. So yum, I'm excited. It's delicious. The lighting is really bad and I'm trying to be quiet because Arlo is sleeping. But we cooked these baked potatoes on the fire. So I covered them in some olive oil and salt, and then I wrapped them in tin foil and we put them on the coals in the fire. Also, don't mind my nails. And we cooked these for, I would say, probably like 2 hours at least. And then we're gonna make baked potatoes. So we're gonna do sour cream, or instead of sour cream, non-fat Greek yogurt, some bacon bits, cheddar cheese, and a little pat of butter. And then for the meat, we have 2 ribeye steaks, boneless, and I just heavily seasoned both sides with Montreal steak seasoning. If you guys have not tried this, it's so good. So good. So anyways, that's what's for dinner. Ignore the mess in Scott's belt. No veggies, just this. It's gonna be delicious. Could have done veggies, but honestly, it's getting late. It's already past 9 o'clock. So, delicious steaks and some loaded baked potatoes. Yum! The butter goes down in the bottom.
Let's get this little Winnie hair out of there.
Probably.
I'll take twice that much butter on mine, please.
Okay, perfect. Whoa. It's aggressive, but okay.
Oh, we're going all in, baby.
Okay. Then bacon.
Okay, this bacon is...
It'll get warm from... Oh my god. Have you seen the size of those steaks?
Yeah.
Not all the bacon. You're crazy. You're wild. Alright. I haven't had a baked potato and I don't even know how long.
Right now.
Salt and pepper and a little bit of onion powder.
Alright.
Delicious.
Wait, you got some extra bacon on there. I gotta...
Oh, you gotta clean that up?
Mm-hmm.
So we got the steaks perfectly cooked. Glass. Mixed match glass of Naomi. Alright. Cut us up some steaky.
I think,
Those are
Oh, jeez.
Wow.
We need bigger plates.
We don't have bigger plates. The chicken that I marinated in Italian dressing mix, put a little bit of salt and pepper on it, and just grilled it up on some skewers. And then I'll go show you the veggies that we're eating. Arla, what do you think? Good? Good? And those are the skewers. I did red pepper, zucchini, summer squash, and onion. And then olive oil, salt, and pepper. Alright, so we got our crescent rolls all pulled apart. We got our little smokies. So we're in a place where we don't have a real campfire, but you definitely should use a real campfire if you have one. If not, this little propane one works really awesome too. Scott went the long way. It's probably a better move, man. Not gonna lie. Much better move. Alright, next recipe, we're gonna make some pizza pockets in the pie iron. So you need just plain white bread, some pizza sauce. I like the squeezable one just so it's super easy. Some butter to grease up and crisp up your bread. And then your toppings, obviously. So some mozzarella cheese and some turkey pepperoni. That's what's gonna go in. So I'm just warming up the pie iron now, just so that the butter melts on it a little bit better. And then I'll show you the finished product. Alrighty, so they're warmed up a bit. We're gonna put a little bit of butter. Fail. Perfect, so now it's nice and warm and melty. Yum. All right, you're gonna do the other one as well, but I'm gonna load this one up to record.
All right.
All right, so you've got the sauce.
There's some sauce.
Some cheese.
There's this one.
And we're going healthy with the turkey pepperoni. But by healthy, I mean I'm still gonna load the crap out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's one piece. All right, and that's a little bit extra cheese, or a little bit extra sauce. Because you don't want all the sauce just to soak into the bread, you know? And then a little bit more cheese on there. And then bread. All right. Now we gotta smush these bibbies together.
Whoa, nice move.
Okay. The ends are gonna get a little burnt, but that's okay, you can crust those off. And we're just gonna set it in there. Let it do its thing. So we got the next one in, and then this is the first one. Oh, you just go like that. I eat it like a full pocket, but...
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Like homemade Hot Pockets.
Juicy.
You're such a... Don't burn your mouth off. Is it melted all the way through, though?
Yeah.
Good? Nice.